Bookstore in the blast furnace/hyperSity architects. The center of the circle of the three blast furnaces is the core and spiritual fortress of the whole blast furnace. The symbolic and commemorative nature of the core is enhanced by the lighting designer, through the three-dimensional sense created by the red wall washing lamp, the light that is projected on the furnace body like a flame, and the details of some metal rods on the blast furnace, creating a warm atmosphere like the fireplace and giving the shuttle crowd a sense of worship. The relationship between the service and the served space is diffused outward from the center, and the second ring is the front end of the core as a service space, and also a visual and functional hub to strengthen the ritual sense and centripetal force of the core.